Reactions this evening from a member of the political directorate as well as residents of St. Thomas to the announcement by the government that that parish is to benefit from a new stretch of road. After years of perceived neglect, residents of eastern Jamaica, St. Thomas in particular, got some good news this week. The Andrew Holness-led administration announced that work on the long-awaited Eastern Corridor will start at the end of September. The roads will link Harbourview in East Kingston with Port Antonio in Portland via St. Thomas. The people of St. Thomas, who spoke with our news team, are pleased the new infrastructure is coming, even if it isn't the highway they wanted. Many are dreaming of possibilities for many of the parish's underdeveloped parts.
And when we get the road, more growth with there, business with there, youths then we get work and come off of the street. You understand me? Yeah, man. So, you know, we just want the people them to open them eyes and look towards St. Thomas.
But some feel the roadworks must not be limited to the main roads. They want community roads to get attention too.
Not to mention Roach Gully and White Horses. How are we going to angle that? This morning when I was driving, 2 trucks block up the road down there. Right? What if an ambulance is going to Kingston with somebody sick? How we work out that? They need to deal with the road in a more better way than that. They can't divert money from out of the fund, take out money out of the fund and do other places and leave St. Thomas behind. It is unfair, Mr. Prime Minister. You need to fix the road better than that. That is not acceptable for me as a driver and to the people of St. Thomas. You are dissing the people of St. Thomas full time.
Member of Parliament for Eastern St. Thomas, the PNP's Dr. Fenton Ferguson is already appealing for work to be distributed on merit and free from politics. He's also curious about the timing of the project and has questioned how it will work logistically with the planned development of a new town centre at the old Goodyear factory.
I believe that the road would be a good precursor to the centre. If they're taking place at the same time, then more glory. But we want to be assured that in this there will be fairness, there will be equity, and that the people of Eastern St. Thomas will benefit from the construction process while it is in trail.